Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I'm going to expose you to 35 AI tools that can perform different tasks like productivity, automating tasks, image generator, video generator. Some AI tools are single models while some are multi-models. Multi-models means that they can perform more than one task, such as co-pilots. If you come across co-pilots, they can generate script for you and also convert script to image. Now we all know that AI is now the hottest topic in town and people are buzzing over it. Creators, businesses, copywriters, name them. It's now beginning to cut across diverse fields because people are now beginning to integrate AI for their own personal use and also in their businesses, right? So recently I completed a course on artificial intelligence career essentials with ALS, and while arranging them in my Notion, I realized that there were about 50 AI tools that I have come across. Some are for resume revamp, some are for meetups, some are for automating tasks, some are for workflows, some are for creating stunning visuals, some are for a music generator, and a whole lot of it. And I decided to compile this in Notion and also expose you to these 35 AI tools so I can be able to understand how it works. Besides, if you want to know more about how you can arrange your work in Notion, please comment in the comment section so that I can create a video on that. Now, with this experience encountered, I was able to create a stunning folktale story that simplified AI concepts. You can actually check it out in this card link showing here.
Once upon a time, in the land of Ubomiri, there lived a young woman called Adora. She was born into the home of the king and queen, who didn't accept other ways and culture of other lands.
Now, AI tools have been able to revolutionize the way we do things, automate tasks, create stunning visuals, and content creators and other people are cashing out and making thousands of dollars. Like this channel here that has about 18 videos by the time of this video, and you can see the watch time view and you know what that means, right? So it means that people are beginning to appreciate the wonders of AI. Now in this video, if you follow me to the end of this video, I've been able to categorize these AI tools under 8 categories, what it is used for, and you can find further links in the description below. Alright, so if you are ready, let's take a glimpse of this. Before we start, I just want you to know that these AI tools has been researched and explored too. So the information given is accurate at the time of this video. Nevertheless, things are subject to change since AI is ever evolving. So ensure you have subscribed to the channel for more updates and feel free to add your ideal AI tool in the comment section. So this video will come in 3 stages. First, we will start with taking a look at how you can access these tools. Secondly, we will list the AI tool according to 8 categories, and lastly, what they are used for, including their features and pricing. So if you stick towards the end of this video, I have a bonus gift for you. We will explore just how I generated a prompt for my folktale video and how I generated an image as well as video or motion using just Gemini, Leonardo.ai, and Happier. Now to step 1. The signing up and signing in. So before you can access any of these tools, you are required to have an email. If you have your email signed into your browser, it is quite easy to just sign up without imputing your password. The AI tool collects information already provided by the web browser and then signs you in automatically. But if not, you can manually sign up using your Apple, Gmail or email account. So let me sign up. We will use Leonardo AI to illustrate this section. So go over to your web browser, type in Leonardo AI into the web browser, click at the URL located here and click here to manually sign up. So once signed in, the interface will be displayed and you can start generating images with some free credits apportioned to you. The same thing is applicable when using Canva. But once you exhaust the credits, it's either you pay for the pro version or wait for 24 hours to be restocked with another credit. Now, bear it in mind that this is not the same for some AI tools that operate strictly on paid plans. Now to step 2. Now, the AI tools, which is about 35 or more, has been classified under 8 categories, such as content generation, creative design, animation and editing, marketing, schedule and sales, productivity, automation and workflow, website builder and code assistance, communication and meetings, business proposal and data visualization, resume, revamp, and job assistant. Now, before we move to the last section, we have to be aware that for pricing, these tools offer basic free plans. Some offer free trials, which you can upgrade to a paid plan from $10 and above monthly, or you can subscribe to the yearly plan. So we begin with the first, which is content creation. Under this category, it is subdivided into 4 content creative AI tools like text generation and writing assistant AI. Now, the AI tools under this section are ChatGPT, Gemini, Jasper, Meta.ai, Elima, Perplexity, Copilot, Hugging Chat, Grammarly, Quillbot, Cloudy, Copy.ai, Gravity Write, Sonic, Dupli Checker. You can feel free to add any other writing assistant that you have come across in the comment section. So generally, all the AI tools that I just mentioned can generate creative text formats like poems, knowledge-based text, blog posts, marketing copy, research, code scripts, musical pieces. You can also use it to write different content types like articles, social media posts, emails, letters, and translate languages, though this has limited functionality in some tools. Tools like Grammarly, Jasper can help improve existing writing by suggesting edits for grammar, clarity, style. And tools like Dupli Checker can help in plagiarism checks. Some AI tools are moving beyond just text generator, but can perform more than just writing, but rather can be used to generate images or motion to your image, like Gemini, Copilot, Cloudy. For educational research purposes, Perplexity is a free tool you can use to make research on projects, even ChatGPT, Gemini, Jasper too. Now for the pricing, for example, ChatGPT, there's a freemium plan with limited resources. While ChatGPT 3.5 is free, the latest is not free. Now, while the premium plan lasts at $20 per month, for Gemini, it is actually free to use, but it has a paid version that if you want better, you can upgrade. Now, still on content creation, we have AI tools for audio generation, text-to-speech generation like Stable Audio, Fine-to-Speech, Udio, Mobat.ai, Avi, Ampa, SoundRaw, and MeloDrive. With these AI tools, you can generate different audio formats like music, background, sound effects, and text-to-speech conversions with realistic voices. You can create music in various genres and styles based on user inputs on prompts. And you can also design custom sound effects for specific needs.
In my veins, Lagos dreams and Lagos rain. Heard the whispers, girls ain't meant to chase this kind of flame. The fire in my belly, a vision in my mind. Built a throne from struggle, left out behind.
Now for image generation, we have tools like Adobe Firefly, Leapix or Immersity, DALL-E, Leonardo.ai, Midjourney, Runaway.ml, Designer.microsoft, Copilot, Gemini. Now this AI can generate images from scratch based on text descriptions or prompts. They can also generate images in different artistic styles like realistic, cartoon, or abstract images. They can also allow for some control over image composition, details, and generation variations, depending on the tool. Now for video generation, AI tools like Pika, Happier, InVideo, Flickr can help you generate videos from text descriptions, images, or a combination of both. They also offer storyboarding and script writing assistance. Depending on the tool, They can allow adding music, sound effects, and basic video editing functionality. You can also use Pika to generate lip-syncing animation based on audio. Now to the second category, which is generative design, animation, and editing. Tools like CapCut, InShot, DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro, Filmora, Vid.ai, Canva, Creators Kits, Bit2.ai, Luca, Lumen, Dubverse, Movely, Powton, Animaker. Now these tools can help you in video editing and graphics. You can use them to edit videos by trimming, cutting, adding transitions and effects. They also offer various templates, stock photos, and music libraries like Vid.io. You can also generate basic video intros and outros like CapCut. Now with Creators Kit, you can offer amazing background to your photos. Now with Vid2.ai, you can convert long videos to short videos. With Dubverse, it helps you to change videos to another language. You can also add captions and subtitles using some of these video editing tools. You can create explainer videos, product demos, and marketing animations, and also provide pre-made character templates and animation tools. Now to category 3, we have marketing, schedule, and sales. We have AI tools like Gong, Drift, Salesforce, Google Ads, Hootsuite, or Buffer, Sprout Social, SEMrush, Brand24, Google Analytics, DocuSign. Now with Gong, you can be able to record sales calls and provide analysis for the calls. Now with Salesforce, you can be able to manage your sales and customer management. With Google Ads, it helps content to reach a wider audience. Hootsuite, Buffer, Sprout Social schedules social media posts across various platforms and tracks their performance. SEMrush, Brand24, Google Analytics helps in tracking and analytics. With DocuSign, it helps you to simplify the electronic signature process for contracts and agreements, streamlining sales cycles. So basically, anything that aids in marketing and sales, optimize content for search engines to improve visibility, can be used by these tools. Now we have the productivity, automation, and workflow. Now tools like ClickUp, Asana, Monday.com, FreshTech, Slack, HubSpot, Miro, other productivity and automation tools not listed here can help you to create and manage project plans, tasks, and deadlines. You can be able to use them to assign tasks to team members and track progress. You can be able to automate repetitive tasks using workflows and integration with other tools. You can be able to facilitate communication and collaboration within teams. Now for website builders and code assistants. Tools like Wix.ai, Squarespace, Codex, GitHub Copilot, Tab9, Codium.ai, Doc.ai, Code Design can help you build websites without extensive coding knowledge through drag and drop interfaces and pre-made design templates. Take a look at this website. I created it with Wix.ai. All you have to do is just answer some basic questions and then allow Wix to generate a template for you, whereby you can now maximize by using the drag and drop and editing to create an amazing website. Now you can also generate code snippets or suggest code completions to assist developers. You can integrate with various plugins and services to add more functionalities to your website. The sixth one is communication and meetings. Tools like Fireflies, Ori can be used to transcribe meetings and generate summaries with key takeaways. You can be able to schedule meetings and find optimal time based on team availability. You can also automate note-taking and action item management during these meetings. Now, the seventh category is business proposal and data visualization. Tools like Promet.ai, Tableau, Power BI. Tools like Promet.ai can enable you to write business proposal. With Tableau, Power BI, you can be able to present information effectively through visualization. Now, the last category is Revamp, job application or job assistance and interviews. Tools like Interview Warmup, Yodi, Folktale, careerflow.ai, LinkedIn, Cake Resume, Glassdoor, and others not listed here can help you to build and revamp your resume by providing suggestions on formatting keywords and content based on job descriptions and ATS standards. You can check out this link shown above on how you can use the resume and job AI tool to revamp your resume and gain visibility. I have extensively talked more about it, so ensure you watch the video for more clarity on how you can use these AI tools to score your job. Also, these tools offer mock interview practice with experienced professionals like UD, interview warm-up, and others can generally be used to revamp your resume. Alright, for those of you that have stayed up to now, I have a bonus package for you. Now, the Folktale video I created, I've received questions on how were you able to generate the prompt and also generate the image. So I'm going to talk about how I generated and created my prompt. Now, let's look at how I created a single prompt to generate this image I used in this video. Now, the key takeaway is that you ensure you describe exactly what you expect the image to look like. Ensure you include background, body size, appearance. Appearance here means facial, hairstyle, and outfit, or maybe action, which could mean mouth opening or hand spread and others. You can ask ChatGPT or Gemini to help you with a prompt. That is, if you can't generate one for yourself. So let's head over to Gemini and I will type this prompt. You are an expert movie director and writing a folktale fiction story and require an animated character of an old man with gray hair. Create a prompt to generate this image. So this is one way of using Gemini to generate prompts. But I prefer to visualize my own character, have a sketch of it, and then write the prompt like this. Now Gemini gets into action and generates a response for you, which you can copy and move to Copilot, paste the prompt in the search bar, and then click on generate. So you can see this is the image according to the described or inputed into the Copilot. Now let's move over to Happier to add motion to it. And then go into the web browser and type in Happier, click at the URL, and remember you have to sign up before you can access this tool. So I'm already signed into Happier. I'll just move over to this section, upload the image, and then add text to it, or maybe nothing. Now once you generate, you download, and this is the result of it. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you've gained valuable information from this video. If you did, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button just here. Make sure you do that, and also turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified once I make and post a new video, because I will try to simplify concepts for you for content creation, productivity tools, freelancing, and basically for business owners. So it's going to be a whole package. At this point, I'm going to take a bow, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Don't forget to check out other videos that I have on board and just like them. Thank you so much for staying up to this end, and I will see you next time. Bye.